I don't. I feel like this has been mostly
Whoa,
resolved.
that's the wrong
Do you have
side
any
of the road,
thoughts on
buddy.
this? A farfalle carbonara, which seems wrong in every measurable way.
Those are the bow ties, right?
Correct.
But see, honestly, I like bow tie.
And now there's a car that doesn't want to go to speed
limit.
limit.
The sauce really well.
So there's this described.
Turn right onto 16th Avenue.
So, yeah, needs it.
I mean, that's the other thing.
Everything needs it and brain.
Yeah, like it could be that the more complex your brain gets, the more sleep is super required.
Yeah.
We don't know.
Yeah,
but
that
this
does
does
sound-
open.
I hate anthropomorphism. I don't like relationships with animals or inanimate objects at all.
Which is basically what this is.
Yeah. But see, the thing is, where is my argument?
What
Where's his
on earth is
argument?
this?
What is he supposed to say? This is a delicate conversation, right?
In 400 meters, slight left onto Expo Boulevard.
A little bit more crowded, etc., you would expect worse educational outcomes rather than better.
They decided to prove their hypothesis that dragon kids would fare worse than other kids at school. As it turned out, the Chinese
University entrance exams, dragon kids score better.
Okay.
See, Michael Giacchino has written the score within that franchise, and I will be helping celebrate this as
Director for healthcare programs with Veterans Affairs.
At the present time, there are no plans to change the maximum.
Why did you do that?
Of
Why would you try and cut in front of the bus like that? You stupid idiot.
Turn right onto Canada Way.
That was a red light for you.
Renters will allow groups with money, such as cartels, to more easily produce firearms for their own uses, something they already do, but now to a greater extent. And right now we're seeing politicians move on this. But he says when he put the chain link fence up on stage, it suddenly felt like the set of Godspell. And he ditched it.
That's a red light.
David and I asked Taylor, why didn't you just show Penn something rough? I did my act from 7th grade through my sophomore year of high school. And so many times it got kind of carved into me. I could have probably performed it word for word. And
Why did you change lanes to an exit lane?
Now I'd have a hard time. I still regularly have dreams that I'm supposed to do.
The younger man stepped forward, wrapped his arms around Scott, and gave
That
him a
was
long
really
hug.
close.
Glad you made it back okay, brother.
Live from Speed Technologies, the Ask Noah Show starts right now. This is the show where we came to do all the things on Linux they said couldn't be done and take your questions on how to do the same. The phone lines are open this hour. To be a part of the program, it's a free call, 1-855-450-NOAH. That's 1-855-450-6624, or send an email to live@asknoahshow.com. My name is Noah Chalaya, and
told that they were bidding. So sometimes, just so that other truckers didn't know that you had received a bid, you'd say, oh, you know, my cousin texted me, or you'd say something to walk away and then respond to the bid.
About his strategy for winning.
Kan ku la joxe sa offre man mën naa def 25 000 kii def 26 000 kii def 27 000 kii def 30 000 Generally, what I do is I wait until there are only 10 minutes left.
10 minutes?
Yes, only 10 minutes left. If no one takes the